In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this randomly flashing particle illusion in 5 minutes. We can reverse the view to create this illusion as well. Let's create a mesh circle. If you don't see that in the menu, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. Let's have 8 vertices. In edit mode, I'll select some vertices like this and scale them. A to select all, and F to fill. Let's create a ground plane and add a particle physics. We need to use the mesh circle as its particle object. If we play the animation looks like this. That's how easy it is to create a randomly flashing animation. I'll use Eevee with Bloom. We need to add a dark background for the plane, and an emission shader for the mesh circle. This is the result. To make this look even more interesting, we can scale the mesh circle and randomize its scale. Please experiment with all available settings to create the best looking animation. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.